right to exit right to exit 88A. You've arrived. Destination is on your right.
Yeah, I got the gumball wall. Oh. The Brazil nut. Oh, this is a big wall of candy. Or nuts. Ooh. There's a whole entire wall of candy.
Did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your most fun?
My most favorite thing was probably getting all of this candy.
This is for me, not you.
Me.
Not me.
Me.